So meaning nothing to worry if the accumulated deficit or debt is increasing for as long as the size of the economy is also increasing.
Nothing to worry.
That's the position of the economic managers because we've been running
Nothing to worry.
at a deficit.
Kahit na mag-deficit, kahit na malubog tayo sa utang, okay lang.
Kit from the DBM, and I'm the chair of the DBCC Executive Technical Board. DBCC stands for Development Budget Coordination Committee, wherein its members are the economic managers, Your Honor.
Yes.
And they're responsible for targeting the deficit program over the medium term.
Yes. So my question was, how much was our budget deficit in 2024?
Around 1.5 trillion,
Yes.
Madam
So
Chair.
was the government able to cover this entirely?
Yes, but we even exceeded our deficit to GDP target of something like 5.6, and we breached it to 5.7, unfortunately.
So we had extra money?
Yes.
Yes. Where did you use the extra funds that we generated?
Okay, so
So
when,
we had a deficit and we were able to cover the deficit within the fiscal year
Yes.
in 2024.
yes,
Yes.
that's correct, ma'am. Because
So where did we source the funding for the deficit?
okay, so the Treasury, when it borrows money, either from inside or outside, it would be using money for deficit financing and also for paying the principal amount.
All right. So nangungutang tayo
Nangungutang tayo, ma'am,
para may
punuan
pambayad tayo
sa hindi
sa
kayang mapunan
sa
ng
hindi natin
BIR.
kayang
I-collect.
punuan.
Yes.
So,
At saka-
gumagastos tayo ng sobra-sobra sa ating kita.
Yes, nangyayari po yun.
Yes,
Nangyayari
oo.
po
Lagi
yun.
bang nangyayari yun?
Last year, we breached also the deficit.
We breached because we
deficit-
borrowed.
We borrowed, yes.
Yes.
Deficit and borrowing.
Magkanong inutang natin? Kung di tayo imutang, meron pa rin tayong deficit.
Lagi po tayong may deficit.
Lagi tayong may utang.
Hanggang 2030, ang target po ng DBCC ay may deficit pa rin, but ang kailangan mangyari is yung deficit GDP ratio should be a downward trajectory. Kasi habang meron tayong deficit, tumataas pa rin yung accumulated debt natin. But it should
Natural.
it should not actually worry us if the expenses that we are using for the borrowings that we are getting from abroad or from domestic would be used for increasing the size of the economy. So maganda pong tingnan, Your Honor, na yung debt over GDP, dapat bumabagsak din po yan, pababa ng pababa over the medium term. So meaning, nothing to worry if the accumulated deficit or debt is increasing for as long as the size of the economy is also increasing.
Nothing to worry.
That's the position of the economic managers because we've been running
Nothing to worry.
at a deficit.
Kahit na mag-deficit, kahit na malubog tayo sa utang, okay lang. Basta nag-grow yung economy natin.
At nakakapagbayad po tayo, ma'am.
Nakakapagbayad tayo ng principal and interest.
Correct po, ma'am.
Okay. So, yung mga utang na yan, kailangan iutang kasi hindi natin ginagamit yung sources for the unprogrammed appropriations. Diba? Kung walang divide, kung hindi natin nilagyan ng category, o ito para to sa utang, itong isa naman ito para ito sa unprogrammed funds. Kung nawala yung ganong divide, unahin natin yung pag-cover ng budget deficit natin. Covering the program funds. Kasi priority natin yon, di ba?
Correct po, ma'am.
Okay. Sabi nyo nga, standby lang yung ano natin. Pero ang nangyayari, mas inuuna nating punuan yung unprogrammed funds. Hindi ba? Tama.
Kasi po, sa DBM yung nangyayari.
Kasi pinaghiwalay natin. Yung sources, pinaghiwala. Yun ang sinasabi ko na parang superficial lang. Just to justify the funding for unprogrammed funds. Iniiwas natin siya sa budget deficit. Pero talaga namang related yan sa budget deficit natin. Diba? Kasi lahat ng pang-cover natin sa budget deficit, inuutang din lang naman natin. Samantalang, yung mga nagko-cover ng UA, hindi natin yun inuutang lahat. Hindi ba? Meron tayong excess tax collection. Meron ding utang.
Meron din po, ma'am.
Kaya nga, pareho lang sila. Utang dito, utang doon.